HR Partner has a very easy to use yet powerful expense tracking and approval system. This allows your employees to file expense claims via their portal and let your admin users approve or reject them quickly and easily. Simply click on the Expenses menu item on the left-hand side to be shown all expense claims currently in the system. You can click the button on the right-hand side of each expense claim to look at more details, including what categories the employee has allocated their expenses to. Within this screen, you have the option to approve or reject the claim as you see fit. Before you start using the expense tracking system in HR Partner, you will need to set up the various categories that your employees can allocate their expenses against. Go to Configure, then Categories, under the Expenses menu, which will list all the categories that you can use. These can be things such as meals, office supplies, travel, hotel costs, and anything else that you need to track for accounting purposes. We give you a set of common categories, but please feel free to change these to suit your company needs. Adding a new category is as easy as clicking the green Add New Category button and giving it a name. You can even record your internal accounting code here to make it easier for your accounts team to process payments. You can set up any category as the default one to appear on the employee's expense claim sheet, and you can set the order in which it appears on the page. This helps to speed up data entry for your employees. Back to the list of expense claims now. Did you know you can filter this list down to see exactly the information you need? Just click the Filter button on the top right and you can narrow down this list to a specific employee or claim status, or even the person who is handling the claim. For example, choosing Approved under the Status filter will only show you approved expense claims. You can still view these claims and open any scanned receipts that may have been attached to it. To approve a claim only takes a few mouse clicks. Simply click on a submitted claim, scroll down to check that everything looks okay, and check that all receipts have been scanned and attached as required. If there are any issues with the claim, you can send a message to the employee via an email directly from this screen. If everything is okay, you just need to check that the reimbursement amount is correct and click Approve.